If I gotta choose someone, then it must be her. She been here since day one. I guess I'm gonna call her back.
What's up, YouTube? I'm Lena Henry. You're watching May Films, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be creating a curly hair routine using
Nothing but strictly, only 100%
Dollar Tree products. So I know that curly hair products and natural hair products are very expensive, like top tier expensive. So I wanted to see if there was a way we could define our curls but on a budget, and like what would a cheaper alternative would be. And I thought, like, why don't we make a curly hair routine using only Dollar Tree products and see how well it can define the curls, because I know a lot of my subscribers are young females and who got hundreds of dollars and $60 to be spending on like 3 hair products. Like, it's crazy. The curly hair and natural hair products are so expensive. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the Dollar Tree products that I got. I have like each product for like every step in like a regular curly hair routine, and we're just gonna see if this can be done. And by the end, if this works, this is going to save a bunch of people so much money. So let's get into the product. So the first product that I have here is from the name brand Kids, and it's their spray on detangling spray in the scent watermelon. And what this does is just loosen the curls up and help get the knots out, so it can be easier to comb and brush through it. So this would be our step number 1. The next thing that I have is this Shea Solutions made with organic shea butter leave-in conditioner, and it's supposed to moisturize, detangle, and protect your hair. My sister actually used this before, and it really defined her curls really well. So I'm excited to see how it's going to work on this. Then I have this Shea Solutions deep conditioner and co-wash, and it moisturizes and strengthens. Then I have this Lusty olive oil styling gel. And last but not least, I have this Bella Linda hair mousse, and it styles and controls. Before I get into this video, I would like to say the hair that we are trying these products out on is this water wave wig from Yolissa Hair Company. This is their 24 inches 13x4 lace and 200 density lace frontal wig, and this is it on a bad day, y'all, and it just still looks good. Like, that's one thing that I really like about this hair. Like me, I like to do the minimum to my hair because I'm lazy, you know, so I don't really like to have to deal with it every single day. And this hair, it just never really gets too bad for it to be some curly hair. So all the links and everything to this hair will be down below. And yeah, let's get right into the video. So our first step will be to wet and detangle the hair, and I'm using the spray on detangler. You can see once the bubbles settle that it's all the way down here. That's because I really do use this product. I've been using it since this hair. I've used it with my last hair. It was my sister's, my younger sister, and I stole it from her. So I've been using this, and it really does work. So I'm just going to show you guys how. So we're just going to section off the hair in bits and pieces. So when you feel like you have enough of the detangling spray on there, you're just going to start from the bottom and then begin to detangle. Look. You see how nappy it just was, y'all? And then look how easy. Wow. I wish y'all could feel like how nappy the hair was, because I just got off of work. So I had it in like this bun with a scrunchie. So it was like, you know, like the ends were like knotted because it's curly hair. Of course it's going to get knotted. But look, so seamless. So I'm just going to do that to the rest of my hair. Before, after, before, after. So this is how the hair looks, nice and detangled. So now that the hair is nice and detangled, our next step is this leave-in conditioner. So since it's a leave-in conditioner, I'm going to use it as basically like a curl activator or like a curl cream, because you can leave it in. And I know curly hair girls who do this all the time, you know, leave the conditioner in when they do, like, you know, their wash and goes and everything. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take some of the deep conditioner. And I'm going to put it all throughout the hair. Rake it, just rake it through. Wow, like, I wish y'all could feel the difference when I add it to the hair. Like, Jesus. It immediately gets like real soft and just light and easy. It's kind of weird. Like, it's crazy. Look, y'all see it for yourself. Like, the proof is in the pudding. Look at the curls. Look at the definition. This is water wave hair, y'all. Y'all see that water wave? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting because, like, who doesn't like cheaper alternatives and saving some money? Like, it's expensive to be a girl. It really, really is. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 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 Okay, so now that we're finished distributing the leave-in conditioner all throughout the hair, our next step is going to be the gel. The gel, whatever. So, gel is an important step because it holds the hair in place and prevents it from getting all big and poofy as curly hair does. So, it says fast drying and no flaking. Nobody likes the gel that's all slimy and just all over the place. And also, no flaking is a big, big thing for me because I like to scratch my hair a lot. And nobody just wants white flakes falling from their hair. So, let's see how good this is. This is a very, very important step. Dollar Tree has a whole bunch of different kind of gels, but I thought this was the best one because it had olive oil in it, and yeah, like, I just thought that would be best. So now we're gonna just apply the gel throughout the hair and begin scrunching the hair up to really hold and form and define the curl. So this is how it looks. I don't want to put too much in one area. Okay. Literally just dropped it, literally. So this is how it's looking with the gel in it. And what I like about this gel is that it's not too heavy. Most gels are really, really heavy to the point where you feel it in your hair and you feel it in the texture. This is like really, really light. Like, I like stuff, like, I like that it just keeps it really, really light. And it defined the curls really, really good, y'all. Like, wow. So now that our gel is in, our very last step is to apply hair mousse. Basically what the hair mousse does is keeps the flyaways, the frizziness, and it keeps the hair in place all day. And it also keeps like the curly wet look instead of it getting puffy and poofy. And it basically keeps the style you want in, like it locks it in. So we're gonna shake it and then grab some of the hair mousse and then put it all throughout the hair. Look, y'all. Honestly, I thought it was gonna come out like a bit watery, or like I thought like the nasal would start like squirting the stuff everywhere, and it came out perfect, like literally perfect. Only thing I can say is that it doesn't smell the best though. Like it smells like some, like the soap you get in a public bathroom, like the soap in the public bathroom dispenser that doesn't have a scent, and you just smell like chemical. It kind of has like that scent going, but we're just gonna apply it. In the hair you don't smell the chemical scent though, but if you directly smell it, you'll smell it. So I'm gonna let it dry for a bit, then come back to you guys with the final results. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I didn't feel like waiting for it to dry, so I went ahead and diffused it with my blow dryer. And all I can say is wow, like look how nice the curls look, like, and it's dry, y'all. Like it's dry. This is crazy. So there you have it. So I just proved that you can most definitely create a curly hair routine using just Dollar Tree products or like cheaper products. They work the same or just as good. Like if I was to use some expensive $60 worth of products for a hair routine, honestly it would come out like looking the exact same. Like there's nothing wrong with it. It really, really looks nice. So for all my girls that are like less fortunate, or even if you're not, even if you just like to save money, like everybody likes to save money, who wants to spend $12 on $15 on one little curly hair thing? And that's really, hair products are extremely expensive, and everybody needs to save a little bit more money during this pandemic because you never know what can happen. So yeah, I just showed you guys how to still look cute and get your curls popping on a budget. This video is also part of my 3-part Dollar Tree week and my Dollar Tree series, so make sure you guys check out the rest of my Dollar Tree videos down below. I also have a playlist. The other videos that are coming this week are the pamper routine using Dollar Tree products only, and the spa day routine, and the underrated Dollar Tree products you need in your life, part 3. Before I end this video, I would like to just get more into this hair from Yolissa Hair and like show you what they sent me. They sent me this Yolissa Hair scarf. Well, it's not really a scarf. It's more like a hair wrap. So you just put this around like the frontal area of the wig. And it's so cute, y'all. Then they sent this little baggie that you can store the wig in, or store whatever you want in. And they sent a wig cap. I have a medium wig cap on with this hair. And just a little card telling you how to maintain and wash and define the curls and everything. So yeah, that concludes this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. Follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff, because when I'm not posting here, I'm most definitely posting on Instagram, and I post a lot of updates on my Instagram as well. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and shop with Yolissa Hair. I love you guys so much, and yeah, bye.
Like that, your body like that, you smile like that, your ass so fat.